describe each other.
The best.
Uy, one word nga the best.
Oh, best.
Bawal mong sabihin yung
Ay,
kalaban yon. So, mabilis lang.
Sabay.
Sabay ba tayo?
Nakagayahin mo, huwag mo kong gayahin mo.
Paano pag parehas talaga?
Go, sige.
Coffee or SBG first thing in the morning?
SBG.
Sabi ko, huwag kang gumaya.
Totoo kasi tayo. Totoo naman yun.
Okay.
Sleep or skincare?
Skincare.
And skincare. Pareho. Huwag naman.
Huwag
Maiwan
naman.
yung balat.
Oo.
Both.
Early morning or stay up late?
Stay up late.
Pareho tayo. Okay, favorite healthy habit?
Take SBG in the
Yes.
morning.
For Mona daw to, Hash or Ivana?
Sorry bro, Ivana.
Siyempre, katabi niya ako. Subukan niya. Hindi ko to iuwi. Kasabay ko pa sa
Best
kotse.
friend ko. Baka di ako makauwi.
Okay, secret for your glowing skin?
SVG.
Actually, ano siya all-in-one talaga. When you drink it, nakaka-antioxidant, nakakaganda siya ng skin, nakaka-glowing. Kasi parang lahat talaga natatanggal, nadi-detox ka talaga.
When you take care of yourself from the inside, it really shows outside as well.
Galing talaga. Hindi, tama yun, di ba? Beauty really starts from within. By taking care of our body, mas nag-glow ka kasi. So kahit gaano karami yung mga ina-apply natin sa mukha, kung wala kang antioxidants, vitamins, yan. So, kailangan talaga siya for glowing skin. Ayan SBG. Pampaganda rin ng skin. Okay, next. Clear skin or fast metabolism?
Clear skin, tapos inom ka ng SBG, bibilis yung ano mo. All-in-one.
Fast metabolism, tapos inom ka ng SVG.
Oh.
Clear skin.
Sige, walang mali.
Okay, tayo.
Pwede, no?
Galing ah.
Okay, one word to describe each other.
The best.
Uy, one word nga the best.
Oh, best.
Bawal mong sabihin yung
Ay,
kalaban yon.
Perfect.
Ayun.
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay, Mona is not Mona without.
Mona is not Mona without her lovable personality.
Ivana is not Ivana without.
Her care and love for the world and for the family.
The world.
So, thank you so much talaga.
Thank
sa
you.
inyo. Hindi lang maganda, napaka-tatalino pa at napaka-buti ng inyong mga puso.
Thank
So, we
you
are
po.
honored and proud to have you in Solveo Well. So, thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you so much po.